Hello everyone, welcome to KRAFKITA. Today I'll be showing you on how to make your very own soy candle. So this is a soy candle that is inspired by our Malaysian scent. Later we'll be using a scent that is very close to our heart that you are very familiar with. So without wasting time, let's get started. The first ingredients that we need is soy wax. We just need to choose 100% pure soy wax like this. So you can also search it online for these ingredients. Secondly, you need a metal pot like this for you to melt the soy wax. And then you will need a weighing scale so that we know how much of the wax do we need. So this is our candle jar. So this candle jar can hold up to 190 grams of soy wax. Of course, you can use any other glass, good quality glass jars that you can find. And we will need candle wicks, sustainers. What is a soy candle without a good scent? So today we have chosen a very relaxing scent. So this is Majapahit, and we mix it with lemongrass, citronella and other citrus essential oils for it to be a very calming and relaxing scent. And also we will need a thermometer. This thermometer will do so that we know at what temperature we should pour in the wax. And some tweezers and flowers so that later you can place your decorations. So that's all, and let's get started. The weighing scale and tear it to 0. And what do? We pour in the wax. As long as the wax is 190 grams. So we will immediately put it onto the melting pot. So while we are waiting for the wax to melt, we should stick our wick into the candle. Put a double-sided tape, a candle wick, and we stick all the way to the bottom. And then this is ice cream stick. We just need to poke a hole in the middle and remains the position when we pour in the wax later. The wax is almost melting. So it's almost all melted. So as we can see, it's almost 70 over degrees Celsius. We should take off immediately and pour it into a cup, a paper cup. So this paper cup is actually for us to cool down the wax. We should only pour the fragrance at 65 Celsius degrees to 70 Celsius degrees. We have to pour into a paper cup for it to cool down. So, and also the paper cup will allow for easier pouring into our large cup later, our candle jar later. So we have to wait till it goes below 70 Celsius degrees so that the fragrance will stay in the wax for a long time. Okay, so you can see it's already at 60 over Celsius degrees. So at this temperature point, we can already pour in our fragrance. How much fragrance should we pour in? So a general rule of thumb is 7% of the total wax weight. So we will pour in and just stir. Make a mouth here and immediately pour in. So you can see that it is not straight. Secure it again and make it straight with the tweezer. So we are at the last step of our candle making. Put in some decorations like a seashell. But of course, when we burn it, we have to remove them. This is just as a gift. Then we will label our candles. You can use any stickers that you like. Yeah. This is the final product, and I hope that you can follow all the steps that I've taken you through. Besides that, you can also decorate some of the candles with a handmade rattan basket, and you can light it up and it will look very pretty. So I hope you like it and share it with your family and friends, and see you next time. Bye!